Hello guys, good day wherever you are. It's your boy Happy Boys. So today we are back again on a new strategy. So for today we are trading on volatility 10 index. I want to show you guys what these guys normally do on Mondays, and many of you guys have been falling into this trap. I guess so, because today is Monday. I guess so. So I've noticed this thing every Monday. If you want to know this, every Monday, the Monday of the week, you understand? The market normally consolidates. If you get me right, the market normally consolidates. So I want to give you out this strategy out for you guys. Although learning this strategy, you have to know one or two things. You need to know price action, you understand? So it's coming up, my next video is coming up. You have to know price action. You have to know how to, first of all, you have to know how to analyze, how to draw your trend line. If you can draw a trend line and draw your structures normal the way it is, you know what the market is all about or what the market is telling us. So I'm showing you this is V10x and 1 minute time frame. So if you notice, every Monday, even on boom, every Monday they normally do this to trap. They normally do this to trap people's money, you understand? So don't want you guys to follow on, or I don't want you guys to be involved on this trap. So I'm showing you this strategy for you guys to be aware. Anytime you see a consolidation, this is spring, a consolidation, I call it the box strategy. So anytime, let me bring out an arrow so that I can demonstrate it. So this is the arrow. So showing you this, you have to be aware. Anytime you see the market consolidate, especially on Mondays, doing higher high, it's not even doing higher highs, it's consolidating, you understand? Support, here is your support, here is your resistance, support, resistance, you understand? Support, resist. Doing this, what you have to do is to bring out your boss, open a boss and circle it, you understand? Circle that range which the market is consolidating on, and you bring out the white, which is this white one, you bring out. Once you circle the boss from the support, the market started from here, from the support to the resistance. You can see the high, the latest high. This is just trapping. This is just trapping people's money. So all you have to do is don't trade consolidation. Once the market break out from this boss, or why I said draw this boss, just cover this zone, is just to know this zone, you understand? And draw, you see the white boss, it also covers the little retracement it has been doing. This one pop out from the box. That's why I also draw this one, because this normally happen every time, understand? So what you have to do is, once the market have break this boss and retest, or once it break in the up and retest, or break at the down and retest, then you know that the consolidation is gone, you understand? The normal move of the market have started. So this is what you have to know. This is actually what you have to know. You can see it here, right here. I can bring out my boss and show you anytime. So once you analyze your market and you are waiting for your retracement, or your supply and demand retracement, or you're waiting for your support and resistance, whichever you are, if you're a support and resistance trader or supply and demand, all you have to know is that once this consolidation starts, it will trap your money. It doesn't mean if you know price action, or it will trap your money, because the market is not making higher highs, higher low, or lower lows, lower high. So all you have to do is just wait, leave it, don't trade it. All you have to do is bring out a boss. This is the boss. Draw it here. I normally draw it like this. This is how I draw it. You can see it works perfectly. It works perfectly. I've tested this. That's why I don't normally post all time, because I don't normally post videos all time, because I actually go in, practice one or two strategies that work, and see what the market is doing, and know where we have to solve the problem. That's why I don't normally post strategies, or don't normally post casual strategies like other guys do. Every time they post, I don't normally do that. So that is it. You can see the consolidation is around here, because this is just a retracement that start the consolidation. You tap the boss, you bring out another one, which is the white one. So I'll change the color soon, which is the white one. So you have to be vigilant. Anytime the market starts this consolidation, leave it. Just leave a boss from that zone. Leave a boss out from that zone. Understand? Leave a boss out from that zone. You can see how it is. Just leave a boss out from that zone and wait for the market to break. First break the first boss and break the second boss. You understand? You can wait for retest, or if you can't wait for retest, you go to 15 minutes time frame and wait for your retest. You can see here the market started this consolidation right here and hit to the resistance and reject and break my small box, and then retrace back again and break my and hit at my boss. This is my break boss. So and retrace back to form a resistance. So this is consolidation. It is trapping people's money. You understand? So guys, I don't want you guys to be involved on this trapping every Monday. These have done me several times. So I don't wanna any mistake that I do on market. I normally take time to study it and know why it is happening. You understand? That's why I don't normally post. If you check, I normally post 1 week, sometimes 2 weeks. Is to just to learn. All you guys, I used to just to learn the market, study the market, and know where our setback it is. You understand? So many guys do blow accounts on Mondays because the market is always bad. You understand? So if you check, you can see we have a lot of consolidation. Once the market starts a consolidation, don't trade a consolidation. So I have to check for another box that I drew. And you guys need, in my next video I'll be treating on support and resistance for those who don't know price action. So you can comment below if anything you want me to do on my next video. You can comment below. Comments, majority carries the vote. Any price action part you want me to teach you guys, comment below and like on my video. So you can see on here, yes, you can see on here, you can see the consolidation. It breaks. This is normally the pattern. It breaks and go back to the resistance. Once it break it, you know that actually it's going to this time. You understand? Once it break this white box and resist here, you understand? So you just know that actually this time, this consolidation, so it will reject back to trap people's money. It is not moving, it's a consolidation. It will reject back to hit my white boss and reject back. Understand? So when you have to trade this is once it break the first boss and break the second boss, go to your 15 minutes time frame. Once the candle close, you can see this candle close, you can trade here, and here is the retest. This is the retest. If you can see clear, this is the retest. Once the retest, you see a pin bar, you can trade from here. You can trade as you can see, you can trade all the way down. You can trade all the way down. So I won't like you guys to trade any consolidation. But first, what you have to know is whether it's a down trade or up trend. Don't trade against the line. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend, as we normally say. So all you have to know is to subscribe on this channel. It's your boy Happy Boys. Please normally subscribe, refer, share my group on this video. I'm posting posting my link, my Telegram link on the description. You can check it below as you are watching this video. Join. There is a lot I have to teach you guys there, and we can trade together. There is a lot. So bye for now, guys. Cheers up.